Hi, good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? I hope you're still enjoying your stay at home somehow. For today's mask tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys two things. However, those two things I'm going to be talking about, we using the same ingredients to make it. First, I'll be showing you how to use cucumber to make face mask. Then I'll be showing you how to use cucumber to treat your lips to make pink lips. If you one of them out there that wants your lips to be a little bit pinkish, so let's dive into it. As you can see, I already blend my cucumber. All I just did was cut a little bit slice of cucumber and put it in the blender and blend it. So the other ingredients I'll be adding to this is yogurt. So for this face mask, it's just gonna be cucumber and yogurt. So I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon of yogurt to the cucumber. I'm gonna mix it all together. Mix it all together. To make it easier, if you wish, you can blend everything together. You put your cucumber and your yogurt in the blender and blend it together. So that's another way you can mix it. So this is the color right now. Like I said, I have cucumber and yogurt in here. So with this, we just use this, rub it on your face and neck. Leave it for between 15 and 30 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. With this, not only are you lightening your skin, you also taking care of dark circles, because cucumber and yogurt is very good to get rid of dark circles. So you just rub this on your face. So let's rub it and do this for between 15 to 30 minutes. Then you can wash it off. That's our first tutorial for today. The next one, I'm still using cucumber also. So the next one is for pink lips for your lip. Just cut a slice of cucumber and add sugar to it. My sugars. I have some sugar on here. I'm gonna push against the cucumber. So I have some sugar. Sprinkle some sugar on it. You can use white sugar depending on your favorites. So add sugar to the cucumber. Then all you just do with this is place it on your lip and use it to rub your lip for 5 minutes at least. If you do this like every day, and before you know it, you'll be having those pink leaves that is so much easier. So this is what you just do. That's the way you do it. You need to massage your leaf and rinse it off in like 5-10 minutes. Alright guys, that is the tutorial for today. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to encourage me, to keep making this video. I love you. Bye.